There is a unique kind of agony that comes with watching something you poured your entire soul into completely disintegrate. 5 years ago, I faced that exact nightmare. Every investor said no. Every door was slammed shut. And the business I had sacrificed my sleep, my savings, and my relationships for was declared bankrupt. Sitting in an empty, echoing office surrounded by empty cardboard boxes, I felt like a total fraud. I was convinced that my failure was a permanent label, defining who I was and what I would always be. We are culturally conditioned to fear failure, as if it were a fatal disease, treating every setback as a final verdict on our worth. But history shows that true mastery is rarely born from immediate, unbroken comfort. Sometimes, a total collapse is the only event violent enough to clear away the flawed foundations of our past. This is the story of a devastating loss and the unexpected triumph that followed. Let us open this page in our archive of destinies.
How do you recover from losing everything you built? How do you find the courage to even try again?
You recover by realizing that failure is not an identity. It is simply raw data. When that business crashed, the initial shock gave way to a strange, terrifying kind of freedom. With nothing left to protect and no reputation left to salvage, the fear of failure completely lost its grip. He sat down with a blank notebook and forced himself to dissect every single mistake, every ego-driven decision, and every ignored warning sign that led to the collapse. He stopped defending his old ideas and started searching for the harsh, unvarnished truth.
So the failure wasn't just a setback. It was the ultimate education.
Precisely armed with the brutal lessons of his first failure, he didn't repeat the same cycle. Instead, he launched a completely different venture. This time built on substance rather than speed, on resilience rather than reckless ambition. Within 3 years, that new foundation generated more success than he had ever dreamed possible in his first attempt. But more importantly, the success felt different because he knew he possessed the inner armor to survive another fall, if he had to.
He stopped running away from his failures and let them teach him how to win.
Exactly. Your greatest breakthrough is often hiding directly behind your most painful breakdown. Do not fear the collapse. Fear remaining the same person on the other side of it. The page is turned in our archive. What is your latest failure trying to teach you?